Amazon FBA is not a business. Wow, that's the sort of statement that clears a room like a bad fart. I'll repeat it again. Amazon FBA is not a business. I'm going to explain why. A lot of people are jumping on the Amazon FBA bandwagon, and yes, you can make a lot of money from it. One of my close friends has branded some products on Amazon and he's making a killing out of it. But it's not a business, guys. It's a sales channel. If you think that going all in on Amazon FBA is a good idea, then you're going to be in for a really scary surprise. And I've seen this about 6 different times now. When you build your e-commerce empire, you need to consider your control. No business is 100% secure, but as smart entrepreneurs, we want to mitigate the risk, manage that risk as best we can to make sure that we keep getting paid for months, years to come. The problem with Amazon FBA is that Amazon can honestly screw you over at a moment's notice. Your traffic and your customers are owned by Amazon. You can't even get your customers' contact details now. They're not your customers, they're Amazon's customers. It's incredibly hard to build something with value that lasts on Amazon. I've seen it time and time again when a competitor can come into your niche and price you out of the market. Why? Because you're competing on such a narrow platform. You're often competing on price and you're at the mercy of Amazon's rules. They can come along, find your supplier, start their own white label Amazon Basics brand, and boom, you've lost all that traffic overnight. This is why it's so important, guys, that you own as much of your business as possible. Own your website, own your domain name, own your email list, and have as many traffic sources as possible. This way, if one platform changes their policies or the way they do things, you're not left high and dry without traffic or without your whole business. And right now I'm seeing so many people experience this with Amazon or even seeing their friends go through this, and now they're trying to jump ship. They're trying to get Shopify or brand stores built outside of Amazon. A lot of them are trying to sell their Amazon FBA business while the going is good. They see what's coming and they're like rats jumping off a ship. And guys, think about this. Even if you're making money from Amazon FBA right now, wouldn't you rather build an asset, something that grows over time for years and years to come as you build the brand? A business that's paying you thousands of dollars every month for years to come. Take back the control, people. Build a brand on your own website and diversify your e-commerce empire. I advocate 100% on building your store on Shopify. Yes, Shopify could go down. It's a platform itself. But you still own the domain name, the customer list, all the products, and you can easily build a new store even on WordPress, on WooCommerce, and get that set up within a day or two. When people go to this website, they know they're buying from you. When someone goes to Amazon, they feel like they're buying from Amazon, even if they're your products. Huge difference, guys, and a huge lesson for everybody out there that are running their e-commerce business on Amazon or off Amazon. And I challenge you to think about your store and your business. Does it rely on just one traffic source, like Facebook ads? Does your supplier just have one factory or one location? What would happen if they stopped selling to you? Are you building and nurturing your email list? Do you keep your domain name separate from your hosting? This is all about diversifying your business and retaining as much control as possible. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you have any other video ideas of what you'd like to learn about your e-commerce store. Check out my channel, consider subscribing and turn on notifications. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.